In this video, we're going to learn how to make a wooden half-log stool. The stool is very useful for keeping you off the ground during meals or when sitting around the campfire. It's highly practical and can be easily carried anywhere. Caution: for this project you will need protective gloves, closed footwear, and time. For this task, you will need an auger, a mallet, a hatchet or axe, a knife, a bow saw. You will also need 4 poles measuring approximately 50 centimeters and a half log. We're going to explain to you the 2 steps required for making a stool. Step 1. Marking. With your knife, mark on the rounded part of the half log the spots where the legs will be attached. Don't place the holes directly opposite each other, but instead shift the marks over by around 10 centimeters when marking the other side of the half log. Check that the holes are in line. Caution: to prevent the structure from being weakened and to ensure that it's more stable, the legs must not be too close to the ends of the log. Step 2. Drilling. With an auger, drill holes in the spots you marked, tilting the tool slightly at approximately a 30-degree angle. To find out how to drill using an auger, take a look at our video on making a mortise. In order for the legs to be stable and strong, don't tilt the auger too much. Make sure the auger is straight. Don't tilt the auger sideways. Also, be sure to place each leg at the same angle so that the stool is straight. Step 3. Assembly. For each pole, make a tenon which corresponds to the mortise. To find out how to make a tenon, take a look at our video on making a tenon. With the help of your mallet, hammer the legs into the mortises. Don't hesitate to resize the tenons if they don't fit easily into the mortises. Saw off the parts of the tenons which stick out through the seat. Turn over the assembled structure, try out the stool, and check that it's stable. If it's leaning over to one side or is too high, you can saw the legs to make the stool more balanced. Caution: don't cut the legs so much that you're no longer able to sit comfortably on the stool. Now you know how to make a half-log stool.